Hi friends, today we'll discuss about CTR. What is CTR? Cash Transaction Report. These reports should be submitted by the bank to FIU, Financial Intelligence Units. So in my upcoming slides, we'll discuss what is CTR, when it should be submitted, okay, what are the details should be captured in CTR, why CTR is required. Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002, CTR, STR, these reports should be submitted by the bank to RBI. In my previous videos, we have discussed like what is money laundering, like making dirty money to clean money, and small cash transactions will become a big, and pieces of money, cash will be deposited into multiple accounts and it will be gathered to a big account. From there it will be transferred to maybe to the unauthorized organizations, or they'll become this one as a white money, black money to white money. What is the frequency? Every month this report should be submitted to RBI from every bank, and month means here calendar months. If it is January, what are the transactions happened between 1st January to 31st January. If it is June, 1st June to 30th June, it is a calendar month. Logic for CTR generation. Okay, what is the logic to generate this report? CTR name itself, it is mentioned cash transaction report. This report will be generated on the basis of the cash transactions in a calendar month. If a customer total cash debits more than 10 lakhs, then these details should be included in CTR. Or total cash credits during the calendar month exceeds 10 lakhs, means all credits. It is not like I am clubbing debits and credits. Total debits in a month, if it is more than 10 lakhs, then it will be included in CTR. Or total cash credits in a month, if it is more than 10 lakhs, then it will be included in your CTR report. Okay. Will not include transfer, clearing transactions. Will only include cash transactions. And whether we have to, okay, it sometimes what happens, 10 lakhs means it won't be one transaction. You will have a multiple transactions. Customer will do multiple transactions. Whether all the transactions should be sent to the RBI? No. Only those transactions where the transaction amount is 50,000 and above, then these transactions should be included in CTR report. If you can see my one example, in a one account, in a month I take an April month, these are the cash transactions. My total debits are 10,80,000. It is 7 lakhs, 3,10,000, 25, 45. So it is more than 10 lakhs. Then these details should be included in my CTR, because my total debits are more than 10 lakhs in a calendar month. But I'll report only two transactions. Two transactions. One is 7 lakhs and 3 lakhs, because another two transactions are less than 50,000. So I'll not include these transactions in my CTR report. And another part is credits. So total credits are 7 lakhs. I'll not include any transaction in my CTR, because total credits are less than 10 lakhs in a calendar month. Now you understood the logic. My second example, I included cash transactions and transfer transactions. In my first examples, in my debit, 7 lakhs, 3 lakhs is a transfer, 25,000 is cash and 45,000 is cash. Total is same, 10,80,000, more than 10 lakhs, but 3 lakhs is a transfer. So I should not increase that transaction in my CTR report. So now what happens? Total is 7 lakhs plus 25 plus 45. It will be 70. 7 lakhs 70. It is less than 10 lakhs. So my total debits are less than 10 lakhs. So it should not be included in CTR report. In other side, my credits are 15 lakhs. In that one transfer is there, that is 1 lakh. If we remove that 1 lakh also, 14 lakhs. 14 lakhs means it is more than 10 lakhs. Total credits in calendar month is more than 10 lakhs. Then it should be included in my CTR report. And what are the records should be included in my CTR? 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 9 lakhs. Only these 3 transactions should be included in my CTR. So formula is, we should not include transfer clearing transaction, only cash transaction should be included. If my total debits are more than 10 lakhs or my total credits are more than 10 lakhs, then only it should be included in CTR, and only 50,000 above transaction should be included in my CTR report. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.